A moment.
Here's our wise guy, Matt Selen, with more of his Shoot the Monkey demonstration that's sure to leave you scratching your head. Good morning, Matt.
Hi, Gay. Hi, Matt.
Good morning.
So if you look over to your right, you'll see that the monkey has climbed up in a tree. Now, the setup here is that we are veterinarians, and we are giving all the monkeys inoculations against the flu. Okay, so we don't want to hurt any monkeys. We want to help them. And this is the last monkey, and he's very nervous, and he's climbed up in a tree. And the problem is we know, because he's so nervous, as soon as we shoot our dart gun that contains the medicine, he's going to let go of the branch and going to start to fall. And so the question for us is, how do we hit him then? Because as soon as, the dart doesn't travel too fast, and do we then need to aim below the monkey so that he falls into it, or do we need to aim above the monkey because the dart is going to fall, or do we aim right at the monkey? That's the question. And this is a very good demo because we can show exactly how it works. And so the answer is that we're going to aim exactly at the monkey. So this thing right here is an air gun. And right now, when I look through this, I see the monkey's head. So it's aimed exactly at the monkey's head. And I'm going to push the dart in there. And so right now, this dart gun is aimed right at the monkey. When I push the button, now if you can get the camera behind there, and so you can sort of see...
Oh, not for his protection.
There we go. And so it's pointing right at the monkey, and on the count of 3, I'm going to push this button, and it's going to blow the dart toward the monkey. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now did you see what happened there? As soon as I pushed the button, as soon as the dart gun went poof, the monkey let go, but the monkey and the dart fell at the same rate, and we were successful in giving the monkey his flu shot.
IU on there, how about that?
It works every time. It's a wonderful demonstration. And the farther away the gun is from the monkey, the better, because they both fall quite a long distance. And so this has to do, believe it or not, with the thing that we did in the first segment, which showed that the rate that something falls at really doesn't depend on how fast it's moving in the horizontal direction. So the fact that the dart was moving horizontally and the monkey was just falling, they still fell at the same rate due to gravity, and they met.
We have learned something this morning, Matt.
What's that?
We've learned something this morning, because I was really kind of thinking, well, if you go across, it's going to fall slower, but...
That's great, yeah. Oh, can I say something about the people sending in questions?
Yes.
I think next week we're going to do electricity, because I got a question about electricity from somebody, and it would be cool to have more questions about that, because there's so many things we can do with electricity, and so many interesting demos that are big and little and bangy and not explosive, and some are, and so forth, that I need to choose some to do for the next couple of weeks.
It's not going to be Shock the Monkey?
Okay, well, that's great. If you have any questions for Matt, please, for our wise guy, please get them here to the station, news at WCIA.com. And, Matt, you will be happy to answer those questions.
I would be delighted to answer those questions.
Okay, and is there anything in it for someone who might send in a question?
Absolutely. I'm going to pick the best question, and next week we're going to give away our very first Wise Guy T-shirt.
All right, something to look forward to. Okay.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you, Matt Selen, our favorite mad professor there at the University of Illinois.
Well, our weather on the 3s is coming up next. Let's take a live look outside at our Champaign Skycam.